ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the captain and the entire crew, welcome to London. The local time here is 12:30. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. Now, when it is safe to leave your seats, please take care, especially when opening the overhead lockers, as items might have moved during the flight and could fall out and injure someone. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you, and do mind your step as you make your way into the terminal building. Now, if you need assistance once you've left the aircraft, please ask any of our ground staff or those of our One World Alliance partners who will be happy to help you. Please remember that smoking is not allowed anywhere in the airport building. Now, as part of our British Airways ongoing commitment to the environment, we invite you to leave your used newspapers on the front seats of the aircraft as you disembark so they can be collected for recycling. Now, from all of us at British Airways and the One World Alliance, we thank you for choosing to fly with British Airways today. It's been our pleasure looking after you on this flight, and we hope to welcome you on board again very soon. Wish you a very pleasant day.
Please cabin crew, doors to manual and cross-check.
I know the answer to that.